Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on CUBOT X70. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings, then scroll down to the system, and right here you can find gestures. There's three of them. First one is quickly open camera, and here you can press the power button twice from any screen and it will enable your camera. Next one is system navigation. You can choose how to navigate your phone, either by gestures or three buttons. If you decide on gestures, you'll be able to navigate your phone by swiping in different directions. So for example, if you want to go back, do it like this. If you want to go to the home screen, do it like this. And you can see the full preview on that animation right here. And three buttons basically give you three buttons that allow you to navigate on your phone. And next one is press and hold power button for Google Assistant, and also we can adjust the press and hold duration. Works like this. And here's our Google Assistant. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.